Hey, it's Ohio Jimbo, and man, I've got a lot to talk about today. We got a great lesson to get into. We're going to get into blue suede shoes today, but I'm going to show you not just the 3 easy chords to do it, but I'm going to show you how to shift those chords to whatever works with your vocal range. But one of the first things I do want to tell you is there's a whole new feature on YouTube, and it's a hype button. Now, outside of the subscribe and the likes, which I really appreciate, this new hype button allows me to compete with some of those larger channels. Now, I don't have any endorsements, I don't have any sponsorships, it's just me doing this for fun. So I do take a lot of time to build these videos and show these chords for people so that you can kind of play easy songs. So if you don't mind, check out this new hype feature. Now, you can see it you can swipe left on the comments and it'll be there. But if you like the video, then automatically it should show up below here in the United States. Now, it's a brand new feature, a hype button. It doesn't cost anything, but you hit the hype and it allows me to compete with some of those huge channels so I can show other people how to play these songs. So I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like, subscribe, and then hit that hype button to help me out here. Now, Carl Perkins wrote this song. Now, we know who made it famous, but Carl Perkins was really the guy who kind of sat down and thought this through. And he said, I want to take the basics of rock and roll. Without going too much further, I want to show you the first realm of, let's say we do it in G. So, for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready. Now go, cat, go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You're doing a thing off my blue suede shoes. Now, that's cool because it's G, C, and D. However, there's so many variables to that. So you got that, well, it's 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready. Now go, cat, go, but don't you. Now, if you saw what I did there, that's, you take that G, right? And that's the simple G chord. 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready. Now go, cat, go, but don't you. So what I'm doing is I'm slipping into a G7 to get from G to the next chord of C. It's fine to do it in G, C, and D, just the majors. It's fine. But when you do this, you get that down to that G7, and then you come up to the C, and before you get out of the C, you can go to a C7. Same thing with the D. See how it sounds? Really kind of a cool bluesy feel. So let's look through that. Let's look through it very simply. So you got the G, you got 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready. Now go, cat, go, don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything with it off of my blue suede shoes. Now I'm going to do it with the 7ths. The G7th added in there, the C7th, and the D7th. So what those look like is a G7th looks like this, a C7th looks like this, and a D7th looks like that. Now it's got that extra bluesy feel, so try it out. You can do it through the G, C, and D, but now let's try it this way. 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready. Now go, cat, go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Are you can do anything today off of my blue suede shoes? So now you've got a G, C, and D converted to a G7, C7, and D7. It makes that song really come alive. So if you want to try it that way, that's great. Now here's the cool part about blue suede shoes. Anywhere in that song, it's so simple because that what I just showed you is the full song all the way through. Repeat, repeat, repeat. But if you wanted to, let's say, if you know what a capo is, a capo. A lot of people use capos, and capos allow you to take that exact same series. So now I'm doing a G, but I'm doing it clear up here where I'm starting my bass notes clear up here. So now my G becomes a much higher note. So I can still do the same thing if I go to G7. Much higher. But if you don't have a capo, capos are cool, by the way. Professionals use them to get all over the place, but I think it's a great way to get into the key that you're comfortable with. So try a capo if you don't have one. But let's go back to the regular first 3 frets, which I love those 3 frets. So we got a G, we got a C, and a D. Let's say we want to kind of take it to a different key. E. This is a great blues tune for E. So instead of starting in G, starting in E. So One for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Now go, can't go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Or you can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. All right, now we've just taken something in G and took it over into E, A, and B7. Really cool. Now, the B7th lends into those sevenths that we were showing in the original three. So, if we try an E, and we take this one finger off, oh, that's got a bluesy sound to it. So, if we did it in that way, and then we take the A, take one finger off, I'm taking the index finger off, oh, it's got that bluesy feel. I come back to E, B7th, and E. So, one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Now go, get go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything but lay off my blue suede shoes. That is so cool. Any note, pick it. Pick the note. Let's say you want to do it, maybe you want to start it out of A. That's just a little bit higher than the G. So A, B, C, D. And the very next one is E. So, it's one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Now go, can't go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. Now let's do it in sevenths. You can knock me down, sit in my car, drink my liquor from an old fruit jar. Do anything you wanna do, but honey, lay off of them shoes, and don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off my blue suede shoes. Now that shows you any major key, move it up, move it down, find your vocal range. You can always use a capo. Use a capo if that's what's comfortable to you. But I can tell you that this song is one that everybody will sing. They'll sing around the campfire with you, sing in the living room, and you can just strum it kind of slow. The rest of it, that's the chords. And remember, any chord, pick any chord, skip two. What's the next note? Go to the very next note after that, and you got your 3-chord progression. So, again, I'll just show you this. Let's say you want to start it in C. C, D, E, F. Okay, what's the next one after F? That's right, G. So if you were doing that whole progression in C, you'd that is how easy it is. So that's the chords. Any chord, do that with it. Pick the chord, skip two, get that next one, and then go to the next one. And that's how you can build those chord progressions, no matter what. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to have a couple series of these chord progressions, so you don't have to think it through. It's very simple, but you don't have to think it through. I will just show you how to do those in any one of those. And this, Blue Suede Shoes, is the best song to try that on because it's so simple, and it is fun. Now, the rest of it comes down to strumming pattern and technique. Right? So let's go back to G where we started in, right? So you go, with one for the money, two for the show, you're ready now, go, get go, but don't you. Now if you notice, I'm pulling up on a lot of these. So it's one for the money, two for the show, you're ready now, go, get go, but don't you. So I'm coming up, so up, down, down. Down, 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 down. And that's where I kind of get that rhythm going. That's a kind of a cool strum pattern. So that up, down, down at the beginning gets that thing going. So remember that strumming pattern all the way through the song, but give it some emphasis where you want to. My car, drink my liquor from an fruit jar. Do anything you wanna do, but honey, lay off them shoes, don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You can hear the rhythm. Let it happen. Don't think about it, because if you think about it, you go like, okay, up, up, and you'll start to find yourself getting really confused. Just feel it. First of all, just try it in just strums. You my car, drink my liquor from an old fruit jar. Do anything you wanna do, but honey, lay off them shoes, don't you? It's very, very simple to get that rhythm pattern. Let that muscle memory take over. You'll get it, you'll get it. Start with strumming. And the other cool part about that is you can kind of feel yourself getting into that rhythm. Slow it down first. You can knock me down, step on my face, drag my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do, but honey, lay all of them shoes, don't you? Step on my blue suede shoes. Oh, you can do anything, lay off of my blue suede shoes. Okay, so now we've got the chords. We've got the strumming pattern. All the technique that you have up here in your left hand, if you're a right-handed guitarist, is really that switching to a G to a G7th, or just shuffling that and having fun with it. So your left hand can be doing whatever it's doing. Get that muscle memory of going from what chord to what chord. Stay in the 3 you're supposed to be in, and don't try to switch through the song to a different key. That's a very difficult thing to do, but you can try it if you want. But I would do it on a Johnny Cash, like a Ring of Fire song, before I would do it on Blue Suede Shoes. So we got the chords, we got a strumming pattern, and the only thing left is, how do you end this song? How do you end this song? I'm going to show you a real quick blues turnaround you can use in any blues shuffle, but I know there's a lot in this video, but it's fun, and we'll have all the chords at the end so you can do this. So, G. I'll get that in. Do anything you wanna do, but honey, lay off of them shoes, don't you? Step on my blue suede shoes as you're coming in. You can do anything, lay off of my blue suede shoes. Oh, you can do anything, lay off of my blue suede shoes. Oh, you can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. That is a classic blues turnaround to end the song. And it ends up with people anticipating that end coming, and then they roar with applause, and you're a hero. So that's a lot to jam into one lesson, but there's a lot of fun to be had with this. Now, I'm just kind of sitting here in the studio on my stool. I don't have any amps around, no mic treatment or anything. This is just raw lessons, and I hope that you get the chance to play these. And again, when I have the chords at the end, you'll see that you can go through these series of chords very easily. Try them, try your strumming pattern, and try that rhythm and technique. And then finally try that turnaround at the end. That's a really cool way to end the song. So, man, I hope that's helpful. And if it is, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Watch below. When you hit the like button, this new button comes up. It's brand new from YouTube, and it's called Hype. I would love to get this video hype, so please hit that hype button, leave me some comments, and let me know a song that you want me to simplify for you, because that's what I'm all about, man. I don't do any lessons, I've never taken any lessons. I'm not real sure what music theory is. I got a general principle, and I'm learning a lot from this channel, so I hope you are too. So, I'd really love to see you out there someplace, but until next time, this is Ohio Jimbo, and if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.